Hi everybody! Since you click in these videos, I bet you have the interest to learn Chinese characters, right? Have you told this idea to anybody? Or have you searched for any suggestions on the internet? I guess now you have the concern that Chinese character is very overwhelming and too difficult to learn. You have no idea how to start. You are wondering how many characters you need to learn and then what you will be able to do with these characters. And you may also want to know how do I type and write Chinese characters? Any differences between them? What does the learning path look like? What kind of support you will get from this course? Okay, relax. I note all your concerns, and this video will address all your concerns step by step. Okay, let's go back to the first question. Is it too difficult to learn Chinese characters? My answer is, it's more logical and fun than you think. Let me show you some examples. This character, 口, means mouth, and it just looks like the shape of the opening mouth, right? And this character, 木, means tree. You can see it simply draw the trunk and the spreading branches of a tree. There are many characters just like these two ones, created by the ancient Chinese people to visually show what they mean. In other words, you can see what they look and easily remember what they mean. And I can promise you that as you learn more, it will become much easier. Why is that? When you learn more, you will find many Chinese characters are constructed by their components, just like the idea of playing the building blocks. For example, we have just introduced this character Mu, which means trees, right? Then we can look these characters as a building block or a component to combine with other building blocks to form more characters. Look at these ones. These characters is lined up by two characters of trees to become woods, 林. And on top of that, if we add one more tree, it will become forest, pronounced as 森. Easy and logical, right? So this is how the fundamental logic of Chinese characters works, which is fun, logical, and approachable. So I think I have eased your worries and burden a little bit, and kept your determination and confidence to learn Chinese characters by this video. In the next video, I will continue to address your concerns about how many characters do I need to learn. Okay, so thank you and see you.